All 7 COVID-19 deaths reported in Maricopa County today were residents of long-term care facilities. They've become hotbeds for spread and leading locations of deaths. That's why this week, ABC 15 and other news outlets sued the Arizona Health Department for keeping the names and locations of these facilities a secret. And in the first court hearing today, the state's lawyers asked the judge to consider even more secrecy. ABC 15 investigator Dave Biskobing listened in. He's here with the latest.
It was surprising to hear the state ask for even more secrecy, and we'll get to that quickly. But first, the basics of our lawsuit are simple. The state health department thinks it's against state law to release this vital information. We don't think that that's true, and we believe you deserve to know. In a telephonic court hearing due to the dangers of COVID-19, the state and the outside lawyers they hired responded to our lawsuit for the first time. And in addition to their position that the public has no right to know the names and locations of facilities with outbreaks, the state believes even talking about it in court should be off limits for the public.
It appears to me that given the type of information that's being sought, there's a really good chance this information and this entire proceeding has to be sealed.
The state's attorneys also claimed that it will take them a while to respond because of the strain the pandemic is putting on the health department.
How long do you anticipate needing to file some sort of a response? I would be asking if the court would give me 2 weeks. That would be great.
But people are dying, most from long-term care facilities, and the further delays and secrecy did not sit well with the media's attorney, David Bodney.
It's not the time to play games with the law or put the financial interests of the nursing home industry above the health and safety of the public.
He urged the court to move the state to respond quickly.
Your Honor, the defendants have this information. They've had it for a month, and they've had as long to formulate their delay and denial.
In the end, the judge indicated the state would have until the end of next week to respond, and a trial could come at the end of the month. I'm investigator Dave Biskobing, ABC 15, Arizona.
And as a reminder, the state has hired outside attorneys even though they have their own lawyers. That means they're spending extra public money, taxpayer money, during a crisis when people are dying to keep important information from you.
Well,